Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by the only fan with a PhD.
Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1.
Double pivot. And Brother Muta.
Stibo Ogrenmeauti.
Yes.
What a time to be alive.
Yeah.
We are very excited and we are very happy about the league. I mean the lead. We won today 3 points.
Sure.
But anyway, football became the winner.
Yeah.
Let me also congratulate everyone who came here. But let's get straight into it. Obviously, we overhype games when they come.
Yes.
But when we've won the game, we respect our opponents. We do not celebrate like people who do not know how to lose. Some people might misunderstand us and think, or maybe says that we're trying to you understand? We are very. We can't disturb. We're trying to make football exciting, and we are not fighting anyone. We're just trying. We know the pain of losing. But anyway, my word of the day would be the fastest way to understand mathematics is to support Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
And I'm the only person who's qualified. I think this guy is going to really understand. But what I'm trying to say is yes. What I'm trying. What I'm trying to say is, Orlando Pirates, obviously, we know that we're playing our normal formation of 4-2-3-1.
Sure.
And I think the coach, this is what the coach has told our players to say, you are not so much into the game of recently.
Sure.
Don't overdo things.
Sure.
Make sure that you punish the opponents.
Okay.
Mufokeng did not have his best game.
Right.
But he made sure that he punished when a crucial moment comes.
Yes.
We've never seen him. We've seen him sleeping and sleeping.
Sure.
But anyway, talk about the difference between the last game and this game. The difference is talent Mbata. Remember when we played in the final of the Nedbank Cup, the difference was talent Mbata. Talent Mbata is the one who makes Mukwena to play, not to play. Because remember, the two players were playing together at Super Sport.
Sure.
And let me tell you, as much as Makehleni Makaula is a good player,
okay,
but he combines well with Talent Mbata. The combination started, it's a relationship of many years ago. But anyway, let's get straight into the difference. Again, a crucial player in terms of these guys was Ribeiro. Obviously, Ribeiro has proven himself to be a player of quality. And we had to go down and go to our system and philosophy of going down to the DDC, where we had found a youngster in Mbokazi, and whom I said that the new Bizela is now born. He was playing a center left back. I had to give him a call and say, please take Ribeiro out of your pocket.
Yeah.
Because out of the pocket. He was putting him inside his pocket for the whole 90 minutes. But when I saw after the game, I saw Ribeiro, I couldn't find him. I had to make a call and say, Mbokazi, please remove Ribeiro out of your pocket. The game is now finished. But anyway, talk about a player who just comes, who comes from the DDC, but he has less than 5 games already. We are talking about a player I'm talking about a defender here, center back. He's already scored a goal. But again, you talk about Sundowns. One thing that I liked, they kept to the culture of Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah. When a big team is losing, you don't need to be clumsy or to be harsh in terms of releasing the ball. Yeah. Play your cultural way and your normal way. They kept on stretching us wide. I mean, you talk about Reyners. Reyners is a very crucial player because he stretches our defenders wide. And we have to give Makehleni Makaula. He covered more space in terms of defending and making sure that he always gives an assist to the actual defender. For example, you talk about Masakent, a player was playing the right back. He played very well. He played a very crucial game. But you talk about Thapelo Qoki. Again, Thapelo Qoki playing as a center right back. He played a very crucial role in making sure that we defend. And again, our coach, when he realized that the 4-2-3 formation is not working for us, he added the Paseka Marco. Then we played from 5-2-3. But you talk about the young Radiopani, a player that was not playing for a long time. He came in, and then we played. For a coach to make 3 substitutions at once, it showed that. And remember, we played a low block. We played a similar game as the Nedbank Cup.
Sure.
allow Sundowns to hold the ball. Don't press them. This is what Makgopa gave us. Makgopa allowed Sundowns to drop, not to run for them, because when they start playing from the back and you press them, you lose your legs.
Sure.
They will get you tired.
Sure.
So they mastered that. And let's give credit to our chef, our coach Ribeiro. What a master tactician. Let me tell you, he was scared to humiliate Sundowns because he looked at the level of the game. We needed the 3 points. If this was just a normal game, we could have beaten them at least 4. But he thought, okay, let me secure my win. Let me not, sometimes you don't want to win a cast style or anything. You just want to secure this point because, Stibo, if you've got a baby and introduce her to any sport or anything and they fail in their first day, don't go publicly and say, no, they failed and everything. And because I'm the only person who's qualified and I have a PhD of being a fan, I realize that my words, if I say the league is gone, the league is nowhere to be gone. Even when Sundowns entered here, there was no guard of honor. You understand?
Yes.
But anyway, I had the opportunity to talk to the hierarchy level. I spoke to Topi Mutsipe, a gentleman of the game, very calm and collected. We just talked because some people on the comment section, because they don't have a PhD understanding of football, they'll always talk what they talk. But when we talk about the likes of Topi Mutsipe and the leadership of teams, we talk the same language. But I excuse them. Anyway, again, you talk about Shalulile. How Shalulile couldn't play today. I think we played the game around him because he's very dangerous on those looping balls. And Pirates realize that we need to win aerial balls. You understand? But anyway, you can never take anything away from the brilliance of Teboho Mokoena. You talk about Reyners. They played very well. You could see that we were playing under siege. We could see that we had to grind the result. I think this was the most difficult win that we had to make. And you talk about these players, Yomoha Nkota, he hardly had the ball. But my brother, but it's Thibo. Let me tell you, it's up to Orlando Pirates to make sure that they win every game. And I can tell you, if Orlando Pirates can win this game, they can win any game. Because this was the most hardest win. You understand? This was the hardest win more than any other win. You understand? Because remember, if you've got let me tell you, if you've got an understanding, getting a 3 points from the people that you're competing with, remember it means that we take 3 points from the people that it's almost 6 points if you understand. Because the team that is competing against us did not get 3 points, and we got. You won't understand. It needs a PhD. You won't understand, Stibo. When you play against a team that you're competing with, when you win, you don't win 3 points. You win 6 points. But you want to understand, because you've deprived them of 3 points and you've gained 3 points, meaning it's 6 points. But I know it's a simple statement, but it will take another 10 years or 20 years for them to understand. So Pirates has won 6 points today because they took 3 points from Sundowns and took 3 points to Pirates. Yes, but anyway, we are not so losers. Congratulations to football. I think even if the world was looking at us, they would be very happy that football became the winner. What a display of good football, South African football at its best. You talk about Orlando Pirates, I've always said, an epitome of black excellence. We played with 10 South African players, excluding Hoto. It hardly happens anywhere in the world. We don't just fly for nothing. If we go out of the country, we go for excellency. We understand, because we are about South African football and about improving the lives of a black child. But anyway, those are the politics of football. I'll let Mudau cooks. I'm becoming. I don't want to talk like someone who karenki Sundowns. I'm not like that. My PhD is now on another level. I don't want it to be revoked. I'm a gentleman of the game now. I'm busy with my article saving to be something else. Tango.
So Stibo, so for me today, because we went 2-1 with Sundown, and then I've got the message that I was given at the president's suit by chairman of Sundown. He said, you guys, he came to us. He was with Tian Mavunda. He said, please, tell them anyway too. We are seeing what you are doing. Yeah, so that's the message. That's keep it up, Stibo. You see what he was doing.
Did they say you must give me this?
No. This one was given by someone there in top there.
Sure.
Yeah, but he said, keep it up. You saw what he was doing, you guys.
Yeah. Thank you, Brother Mata.
And talk about Goodman Musela. I think he brought about the composure in the middle of the park.
Yeah.
He became the most important player as we introduced him.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Thank you,